Hey y'all, so I am super excited because I have a package that came in. So we're gonna open it up and see what it is, okay? Guys, look at this, Tide White. So good. And a blow dryer. So we have a blow dryer from Tideway and a curler. So we're about to see how these work. Time after time after time. Oh my gosh. Let me turn past the PMJ down. Oh, it smells so good. Jesus. Oh, it's so pretty, y'all. It is so pretty. I feel like I need to use the word ergonomic. Does that fit this? You know how you don't really know the definition, but you just feel like it, you know how to use it in a sentence, you know? I just got out of the shower. Hair is damp out. It's a little nappy. Tideway, let's go. Oh, Jesus. That's level 1. Let's go to level 2. Oh, you see how the hair blows? Do you see this Beyonce hair blows? Who run the world? Girls. Who run the world? Girls, girls. Look at it. It's not really loud either. Like, it's... I like it. I like it a lot, guys. And the thing is, it's blowing warm. Like, it's not, like, super hot. Grace and mercy is following me. It's chasing me down. I'm just trying to live in the overflow. That's the overflow. It's a MacLip. Okay. And my hair is fully blow dried. Not a wet strand. So it took me about 9 minutes. Yeah, about 9 minutes. And I got a lot of hair, y'all. I got a lot of hair. Yeah. This, I like. It is so nice. Really lightweight. I just love the brand new smell of things. Quiet. Quiet. Get you a Tideway. Tideway is the way. Tideway, y'all.